Hello friends, welcome to penhouse. In this video, we are going to see a short review on penhouse silver body and golden trims, a retractable ball pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a silver color body and silver color cap which has a golden color trim set, a golden colored clip and a golden color clicking portion. And it is a very smooth retractable portion, and here in this clip there is a space in between the in this clip, and in the tip also it is golden color, and there is a golden color design, a ring like design in the center of this both cap and body. And as it is a metal pen, you can engrave your names or logos in this pen. And let me give the writing sample. Wow, a very smooth one. Very smooth writing refill. Awesome. And let me show you the refill. Here it is a twist type one, means a thread type one, not the easily twisting and pulling. It is a thread one, and it is a jotter refill. It is at least jotter refill, 0.6 mm ball, and it is a liquid ink. And you can get this jotter refill anywhere so easily with different colors and in different brands. So it is a very minimal cost with different different brands. And there will be a screw inside this one, so in some pens it will be not fixed so well, so you have to maintain this carefully. So you have to insert this top portion correctly to the spring. Yeah, it is fixed now, and then you can twist it, means thread it. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.